Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, the operation is similar in most of the browsers. So as I said, let's enter the browser, and in Google Chrome we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to them. But if in your case this list is so wide, and if you want to remove more advanced options, I would say like the passwords, for example, just tap on the clear browsing data at the top here. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we've got the browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also this additional section, so the saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. You can change the time range from last 7 days to last hour. For example, I believe last hour is default one, so you will be able to pick from the other options. Let me pick for example last 4 weeks, and simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.